Hello there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through the process of finding your Facebook profile link. Your Facebook profile link is a unique identifier that allows others to easily access your profile. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, locate the 3 dots next to the Edit Profile option. Tap on these 3 dots to access additional options. Step 4. Now, scroll down the list of options until you reach the end. Keep scrolling until you find an option to copy your profile link alongside the link itself. This link represents your unique Facebook profile URL. Step 5. Tap on the Copy Link option. This will copy your Facebook profile link to your device's clipboard. That's it! You have successfully found and copied your Facebook profile link. You can now share this link with others, allowing them to easily navigate to your profile. Remember, your Facebook profile link can be useful for connecting with friends, sharing your profile on other platforms, or even promoting yourself or your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.